Good evening, my dear students. Today we will discuss our new topic of ninth standard ICSE Maths distance formula. But distance formula we want to discuss, and before want to do that, I want to tell you just subscribe our channel to get more videos and to get notification to know about more videos. You just subscribe our channel, and then after that you can get the more videos and you can learn easier mathematics. So now my dear students, we are going with the new topic distance formula. So here is a distance formula. So what is a distance formula? First we will discuss about the formulas of distance. To find the distance, actually we have given 2 points like x1, y1, b point is x2, y2, and we have to find the distance between A and B. So how we can find? By using distance formula. And my dear students, why we are writing here the modulus sign? Because the modulus sign symbol that it cannot be negative, because we know that the distance cannot be negative. So it will possible like that the distance is a positive. It will become the distance as a positive. If our distance is coming negative, it will become like positive sign. So here we are going with our distance formula. First you have to write the square root. After that you have to take first abscissors, first coordinate values x1 and x2. It's your wish, you can subtract from x1 to x2, otherwise you can subtract from x2 to x1. So x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square, like this way. This is our distance formula. Now for example, we have given 2 points. P point is given as 1, 2. Q point is given as 3, 4. And we have to find the distance between P and Q. We have to take first values 1 minus 3 square plus 2 minus 4 square. So here 1 minus 3 is minus 2 square. 2 minus 4 is minus 2 square. Minus 2 square is 4. Minus 2 square is 4. And 4 plus 4 is root 8. And that is equal to 2 root 2 units. So now my dear students, we have one example, and we have given 3 points and we have to prove these 3 points are collinear. So how we can prove these points are collinear? First I will tell you how we can show the points are collinear. For example, we have given one point that here, for example, here A point is given, here B point is given, and here C point is given. First definition is that to want to prove the points are collinear, we have to check that points are lies on the line or not. These points should lie on the same straight line. Then we can say these are the collinear points. After that, one condition is also there. What is the condition? To prove, we have to find first AB distance, BC distance and CA distance. Then if AB plus BC is equal to AC coming, otherwise BC plus CA is equal to AB coming, otherwise BA coming, otherwise CA plus AB is equal to CB, then only we can say yes, the points are collinear. So my dear students and my listeners, I want to request you, please check all videos, all solutions are there on my channel and you can check from there. 10th Maths ICSE solution is there, some chapters and some chapters you will get more videos you will get. And 9th standard also we are discussing here, and 7th standard also ICSE solution is there. So just subscribe the channel to get more videos, like, share. Thank you so much. So students, I hope you understood how we can prove the points are collinear. For example, we have given 3 points. So first one is the definition to want to prove that the points are collinear. Just check that points should lie on the same straight line or not. Otherwise, one condition is also there. The same condition is that AB plus BC should equal to AC, and BC plus CA should equal to BA. Otherwise, CA plus AB is equal to CB. One condition should be there. After that, if this condition not satisfied, then we can say the points are not collinear. Thank you so much.